Diphu GP lapen don marlitum alalitum hello etu Miss KYF 2025 along kecipang ehin kecirap abang pu bang pilasi alalitum makeup artist alalitum pan karchu hut nalitum kaptu kebeta asik ete pen naluri charde bicha kota nelia mentara miglo rekiteron Nika Ronghangpi Longki Tokpi Britney Sangma lapen Rachel Sangma itum Garbi Cultural Society mate jatwe song him penala itum pan certificate of appreciation lapen gele itum uhui pak ser apuhui itum malang itum pan karso hi pansi aporsuan ponlo at this very moment we are taking the privilege of honoring our makeup artist, Mr. Ricky Teron, Nikki Ronghangpi, Longki Tokpi, Britney Sangma, and Rachel Sangma. Without them, this night wouldn't have been so beautiful, right? Certificate of appreciation from the Kabi Cultural Society and 24 Miss Sunita Intipi. Come on everybody, put your hands together for the second runner-up of Miss KYF 2024. There's so basic now. Up next, the first runners-up is KYF 2024. Dilan Rompipi. Gentlemen, presenting winner of Miss KYF 2024, Miss Selika Rompipi. Everyone put your hands together for the winner of Miss KYF 2024.
Just say like, and make me wanna say hi. You shake it down, and you make it around it now. I like the way how you flow every time you're passing me. And you wiggle it, jiggle it, and you make it around it now.
Take it on the mama. Just wanna keep it on the mama. Yeah.
I wanna get your body on me. I make you think about the memories. I want you like a Madonna. Come and let me set you free.
Wish you could be my dirty little secret, be my dirty dealer. Maybe till you fall asleep. I can put your body on the scene. You don't need a reason. Call me till it's after 3. I can make you never wanna leave. Bring it to your knees. Come on.
we have the top 5 of Miss KYF 2025. As it is the modern tradition round, costume being designed by Miss Wasapi Baby, and the whole ramp was being choreographed by Julie Baby. So I would like to request our ma'am Wasapi Baby, designer of the final round, to please join us onto the stage, and also would like to request Julie Baby to please join us onto the stage. And now I would like to request the members of the Jagriya song to do the honor of felicitating our custom designer of the final round, Wasapi Baby, and of course the choreographer, Miss Julie Baby. On my right we have Wasapi Baby, designer of the final round. That is the modern tradition round, and of course Julie Baby, choreographer of the whole event of the Miss KYF 2025. Thank you, ma'am. As it is a final round, question round में है पंचतांसन सिद्धू जी. Questions will come from the judges. Yes, of course, and then accordingly we will go. Moving on with our finalist number 3. Please come forward. Questions will come unanimously from the judges.
Hello, hi, good evening.
Sir,
You're looking fantastic today.
thank you so much for a compliment.
Alright, are you nervous, excited?
I'm excited, sir.
Perfect, that's okay. Okay, so your question, coming straight to the question. Why should we select you as our new title holder?
Thank you so much for your question, sir. Well, firstly, I would like to say about my fellow contestants. They had also worked hard to be here tonight. They had, throughout this journey, they had also made me very happy, and they were kind towards me. They had also shared a lot of things towards us, and each and every girl of them were kind towards each other. Well, you should select me as your new title holder because I'm confident, kindness, and I am very select me as the title holder because I personally Caribbean law. And this platform will give me a great opportunity to bring a new chance for a Caribbean law. And I will make my parents proud through this platform. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
I love you.
Thank you. Up next, finalist number 9. Contestant number 9, I mean.
Good evening, contestant number 9.
Good evening, ma'am.
Can you kindly look this side? Hi, how are you feeling tonight?
I'm feeling excited.
Are you ready for the question?
Sure, ma'am.
Here we go. If God granted you one wish, what would you wish for?
First of all, thank you so much, ma'am. And also, welcome to our Carbi Youth Festival.
Thank you.
So my answer about this is that if God give me a wish, I would like to wish a mirror of reflection, not only about the physical, but to see the heart of people, that to remember how to treat each other well. And not only that, we have a kind heart, so we together build a beautiful place with love and care. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you so much, that was fantastic.
So that was contestant number 9, and I would like to request the third finalist, contestant number 11.
Good evening. Contestant number 11.
Good evening, sir.
Are you confident that you are winning the title tonight?
Yes, I'm super confident that I could win the title tonight.
Okay, that's great. So, my question is, let's, we have a totem and we have a national symbol, right? FRBs have their national symbol, totem, and do you know what it is?
Yes, sir. Thank you for your question, sir.
That was not my question, but I am asking you.
The Karbi symbol is the Jambalia Thong,
Okay.
which is the identity of the Karbi cultures.
Okay, now tell me something about Jambalia Khan.
Jambalia Thong is the most powerful, which serve the Karbi culture's community and the spiritual belief of the Karbi. Jambalia Thong is made up of bengwoi tree, which is called in Karbi bengwoi keer, and also which is called in English as wooden crab. Jambalia Thong have 5 branches. At the end of 5 branches, there is each birds, a wooden bird, which is called in Karbi Wajaru, and in English it is called Reket Tail Drongo. And also each 5 branches are considered to be the 5 clans of the Karbi. The 5 clans are Tumjang, Ejang, Lijang, Hanjang, and Kronjang. And each 5 clans have their own sub-clans. And Jambalia Thong is made by chosen craftsmen who receive a divine guidelines through their dreams to emphasize the sacred natures of its creation. That's all, sir.
Thank you very much. Very fantastic answer. That's precise. But you missed the simple line, the most important thing. It's a symbol of unity. Thank you very much.
Sir.
next contestant, please.
Hello, contestant number 12.
Hello, sir.
I'm here. You see me? Okay. Alright, so you look, again, all of you in fact, look really beautiful.
Thank you so much.
And the culture, the traditional dress is looking amazing. So, your question, you ready for the question?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So your question is, who is your idol? Who do you look up to and why?
Okay. Thank you so much for the question, sir. I really appreciate you so much. Well, my idol will be my mother. She is everything for me. Since child, she has been my idol. The way she inspired me, the way she overcome all troubles without any fear. That's the way she inspired me the most, and I really love her. So, yes, sir. Thank you.
Okay, can I stress the question? You don't mind?
Yes, sir. Sure.
So it was a very beautiful answer. However, if you put a twist to the question, apart from your any family member, okay, do you have any other idol that you look up to?
Yes, sir.
It can be anybody.
Yes. So I have an idol. My idol, that is our Karbi legendary woman, that is Rong Parpi Rongbe.
And why? Can you tell us a little about her?
She's a legendary woman of our Karbi Anglong. She chased away the Kacharis that were trying to harass her. So I think she sells herself with a weapon, so I admire her. Thank you.
According to our co-judge, she was the symbol of courage, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So thank you so much. Thank
Thank
you.
you, sir.
Yes, of course. Last finalist, contestant number 13.
Good evening, lady in black.
Good evening, ma'am.
Are you feeling nervous?
No, ma'am.
Not at all, right? You're really looking confident. Okay, my question to you is very simple. Tell us something about yourself and what is your proudest accomplishments?
Well, thank you, ma'am, for asking me this question. I'm a very hardworking girl. Everyone is hardworking, yes. But I'm confident that my unique blends
It's all right. You just tell us something about yourself. Anything about yourself.
well, okay, thank you, ma'am. Well, I'm a very brave girl. I have accomplished very good, like very big titles in my life. Well, I won national judo in our school level and national basketball also, and district level yoga. So these were all my accomplishments
which makes me very bold and brave. Now I want to teach our young ones to defend themselves, because nowadays people are very hard to women. So in order to empower women and young girls, I want to teach them what I have learned in my life. So thank you.
Thank you so much. Good luck for your future.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
So that's the end of the question round. Thank you. Thanks to all the finalists. You may vote to them according to the sequence and leave the stage. So, put your hands together for the finalists as they walk to rap for the last time. Taralangso, put your hands together for the very beautiful reigning Miss Universe Sound 2024, Miss Anamika Bora. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, people of Taralangso, presenting Sakshi Biswakama, Miss Assam 2024. Put your hands together for the lovely lady, Miss Sakshi Biswakama. soil. Presenting Miss Anushka Teronti, first runners-up of Miss Assam 2024, Miss Darbiango 2023, Miss Falcon 2023, first runners-up Miss KYF 2022, and Miss Falcon 2022. The very beautiful Miss Anushka Teronti. Miss KYF 2025. Before that, I would like to request the President and Secretary of Jagvia Song to please join us onto the stage. President and Secretary of Jagvia Song. And also let's check. Before doing the honor, I would like to announce that we have a memento from the Krabi Cultural Society for the beloved judges and also to our lovely lady as a guest. First of all, I would like to request Mr. Mirjeng Pro and also would like to request the president of the Jagvia Song to do the honor of giving away the memento to our beloved judge, Mr. Mirjeng Pro, president of Krabi Student Association and a prominent singer of Krabi Anglong. And also would like to request General Secretary of the Jagvia Song to do the honor, yes of course, Mr. Shimanga Keshav, Director, Miss Assam Organization and Talent Scott of Miss India Organization. And yes, of course, Mrs. Akunaru Imsong, former Miss Nagaland, Co-Director, Miss Assam Organization and State Director, Miss University Assam. President, sir, to please do the honor, yes, of handing over the memento presented by the Krabi Cultural Society, and also goes to Miss Anamika Bora, reigning Miss Universe Assam 2024, President and Secretary, to do the honor of giving away the memento on behalf of the Krabi Cultural Society. And we have our guest Sakshi Biswakama, Miss Assam 2024. And we also have our special guest Anushka Teronti, first runners-up Miss Assam 2024. Thank you so much. Oh, official photographers. All of them boleh guni. Photo dulu.
Dan.
In negri, don't angry me. In something like you. In something in Chile. Like you are rule replying by in something like in something. Our judges are almost ready with the results, I believe. Ilitum results ke ilitum judges sa kahai pitu mahintan le archipolo na lapen komatsi kahai zima le nili chini tanal tum chini ne masini ni nang thante judges tum sinang thanji jelan ka thai pe kang samta alam du apor alam du kang sir kelang ikta du te ilitum judges tum bang singbai tanglo lasi alal tum phan puthot nili stage laman ke hangpen alal tum result and take bang ipaklang pan sini po. I would like to request, and I am handing over the mic to our beloved judges as they announce the results, and of course to give away the crown and the prizes.
But now I'm the anchor. I don't know what Sarim is thinking about. I think the results are ready. But before declaring the results for tonight, Miss KYF 2025, I would like to request all the finalists to come over the stage once again. And music please, and please welcome the finalists of the Miss KYF 2025.
Body on TikTok, call me round the clock, there will be no hesitation. I wanna misguide you, always on time, girl. We don't need a label, we don't need no altercation. So hit me on my eye, cause so I can be of service. I don't wanna lie, girl, it's better when you're nervous. Don't wanna make it mine, but I wanna make a promise that if you want that ecstasy, she could be my. You can be my. Cause she could be my dirty little secret. Be my dirty dealer. Baby till you fall asleep. Baby till you fall asleep. You don't need a reason. Call me till it's time. Yeah, I can make you never wanna leave. Bring it to your knees. Come on, live your fantasy. You can be my dirty little secret. Be my dirty dealer. You can put the X on me. X on me.
Okay, it's time now. Solo. Malo ke haji? Nalitum long prank. One photograph please. Why should Sarim take the honor, right? Yeah. I'm here. I'm the boss right now. Okay. Before declaring the winners of Miss KYF 2025, we have some awards to be given, titles to be given. We have 3 subtitles, which the results is with me. Now, coming first, for the best personality, can someone guess who is the best? Can you? Okay. No one can guess it. Okay, right. So the best personality goes to Miss. She's here in front of you. Can you guess? No. I guess you don't. Lassie, best personality, Kelong Abang P. Bangkal hello, Miss Shanshile Himburengma. Put your hands together for Miss Shanshile Himburengma. Kasi alang liapan, lamang so subtitle kapag jiapan, nito mga committee members sa tuman si Kabaiman Chanitlo. Now, I would like to request Anushka to come forward. Could you both there's a gift hampers for her. I request both of you to please step forward a bit. Another gift hamper. Kado ko ita sit hejung ben hearing luna. Richard Abulang. We present the best personality. Nalito Mama Mohor and Nunji and Duntape. Coming to the next title. Next up Bangke Kopilo, Best Walk. Kedam Kelang Minay, abang so subtitle. Kelong abang pila Bangke, Mane Cinima, Ijang Pima, Hanjang Pima, Kronjang Pima, Kunjang Pima, Lizang Pima, Chini Nene Masidahan Joladi. Okay, the best work goes to Miss Pirbi Terangpi. So I would like to request Miss Shakshi Biswakarma to give away the title to Miss Pirbi Terangpi, the best work.
We want justice!
So coming on to the next title, it's Miss Photogenic. It's Miss Photogenic kelong abampi. Nali tumatay mo matsidolo. Kumalo. Ramat sidolo. Chinima. Okay. Miss Photogenic. Kelong abang apiamen. Bangke Miss Tina Charompi. So labang so title kipiji upon Miss Anamika Bora upon si Apor Pilong. Don Maliatum, Alang Litum, hello, Bangatom, subtitle holders, Nasi Non Jasamepet, Alang Litum subtitle Ano Epi Erapi, Putot, Ilitum, Non Banke, Ahok Pet, Miss KYF 2025, Indeng Si Hini Ketom, Kelong, Halabang Su, Arizal Bang Non Pandak Pompo. Kasi labang so pang dagi pandang I think Sarin you should do the honor. I'm handing over this microphone to you right now.
Like ne panang lang sila reply. Elang si Rizal do ko mo ben talent. Okay, right now I'm having the privilege to announce the result. But before doing that, I would like to request our beauty pigeons to please move a little backward so that our judges can join, and also the focus of the light can ultimately fall onto everyone. Yes, of course, I would like to request our beloved judges also to please join us in the mix. And also, yes, everyone. Come back. Please. So the focus of light can ultimately fall, and then people can have better photos. So result ke nirideng lang situlo. Hey, kone mengjang lang alom mo pisi result di paklain ni. Ni quick. Okay, tak apa pada mang nilo insamo. Ini mang pisi memberita. Okay, so people of Taralangso, come on, put your hands together as I call out the second runner-up of Miss KYF 2025. Kita mangdeng long, kiundun, raja kecepati, mati Miss KYF long. Abang PMN? Hah? Hem. Okay, put your hands together. Second runners-up, Miss KYF 2025. Punmili Timongpi. Put your hands together, everyone. Second runners-up, Miss KYF 2025. Second runners-up of Miss KYF 2024. Lapente gift hamper. Momento I will pass it to my judges. I would like to request our beloved judge to do the honor of giving away certificates of appreciation and a gift hamper to the second runners-up of Miss KYF 2025, Miss Finalist Diphu. Alangli hinlo Finalist Diphu, alangli Taralangso ang title. Ate second runners-up Miss KYF title alangli hinbensi. Sa palong poniglo. Ate litum Jack sa kihay hinbensi. Receive a check of rupees 20,000 and a memento from the Avon family. Chorolo, aku naruh insang alang lipan chorolo. Non putot. First runners-up like igniting the tongue. Nili chidi lo tamina igniting lo nili. Nalki chine. Miss KYF 2025. First runners up. Taralangso. Komatsuki Haipo. Ilito Mangno si Bang Plidolo, la Bang Plieng Mong si. First runners up. Anong age? Palong palo. Let's Komatsuki Haisi. Okay, without any further ado, first runners up of Miss 2025 goes to none other than Caroline Ingtipi. Please put your hands together for Caroline Ingtipi. I would like to request Dylan Rompipi to give her the crown. And of course, our judges. To give away the check and a memento. So our first runners up. I would like to request Sumanga Keshav sir to please do the honor. Up on Miss KYF 2025, Miss Caroline Ingtipi received a check of rupees 30,000 and a memento from the Evan family. Finally, the time has come for me to give you Miss KYF 2025. Amen lang ang tanong, Rizal lang ang tanong. Okay, okay, winner of Miss KYF 2025, the very beautiful, the very talented, Nining Dog 9, Nining Sam 9, but they can do it, and Nining Sam 9. Birbi Terangpi, winner of Miss KYF 2025. Here we go. Birbi Terangpi. Come on, everyone, put your hands together for the winner of Miss KYF 2025. And to give away the crown, I would like to request winner of Miss KYF 2024, Serlika Rompipi. Lagi Birbi Terangpi. The winner received a check of rupees 50,000 alangli sulit bukit Patangka sa Bahay Polo Lapenge, Alali, Ebon Lahin Ben, Give Alpha, Lapenge, Zaglia Song Lapen, Agricultural Society in there. Alali Pan, as you can see, Alali was only by the color. Suri, Masuro, Classic High, Lapenge, Putot. A huge congratulations to all the winners. Winner will be Irampi. First runners-up, Carolyn Indipi, and yes, of course, the second runners-up.